Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, a device that's been eagerly awaited by every mobile gaming enthusiast out there. Get ready, because we're about to unbox and take a first look at the absolute beast that is the RedMagic 11 Pro. I've been so excited to get my hands on this, so let's not waste another second and dive right in. Alright, let's see what goodies RedMagic has packed for us this time. First, the box itself has that signature futuristic gamer aesthetic we've come to expect. Lifting the lid, and wow, there it is, the RedMagic 11 Pro itself. We'll put that aside for just a moment. Digging deeper, we've got a nice, sturdy, transparent, hard protective case. Always appreciate when these are included. And here's the powerhouse, a massive 165-watt fast-charging adapter. This thing is no joke. Alongside it, a high-quality, braided USB-C to USB-C cable, and of course, the standard fare, your SIM ejector tool, and a packet with a quick start guide and warranty papers. A solid set of essentials to get you started right out of the box. Now for the main event. Let's peel this plastic off. Oh, that sound. My first impression. This thing feels incredibly premium. The metal frame gives it a solid, reassuring weight. But the star of the show has to be this transparent back design. You can literally see the internal components. And look at that, the RGB cooling fan is right there. It just screams gaming beast. It's a bold, unapologetic design, and I'm absolutely here for it. Flipping it over, the front is just as impressive. We've got this huge, nearly bezeled-less AMOLED display. It feels substantial yet sleek. It's a statement piece, for sure. Let's talk more about this incredible design. RedMagic has leaned heavily into that transparent, cyberpunk gaming aesthetic, and it pays off. Seeing the RGB lights on the cooling fan spin up is just a visual treat. It's not just for show, though. The whole device is built around an aviation-grade metal frame, which feels both cool to the touch and incredibly durable. Despite its size and power, it's surprisingly ergonomic. The subtle curves and the flat edges make it comfortable to hold, which is crucial for long gaming sessions. And speaking of gaming, look at this, we have the iconic side-mounted gaming trigger buttons. They feel tactile and responsive, a real game-changer for competitive play. Powering on the device, we're greeted by this stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display. And here's the headline feature, a mind-blowingly smooth 165Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through the UI, everything is just buttery smooth. It's one of those things you have to see in person to truly appreciate. The FHD Plus resolution keeps everything sharp, and the colors are just so vibrant and punchy. Whether you're racing through a neon-lit city in a game, or watching a high-bitrate movie, this screen is an absolute joy. It gets incredibly bright, too, so outdoor visibility shouldn't be an issue. This is, without a doubt, a top-tier display, perfectly tailored for gaming and multimedia consumption. Now, let's get to the heart of this beast, the performance. Under the hood, the RedMagic 11 Pro is packing the latest and greatest. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This is the pinnacle of mobile processing power right now. Paired with configurations that go all the way up to a jaw-dropping 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this phone is, on paper, an absolute monster. The RedMagic OS is specifically optimized for gaming, stripping away unnecessary bloat to maximize performance. And to keep that powerful chip cool, we have a sophisticated cooling system with a built-in high-speed fan and a large vapor chamber. We'll be stress testing this later, but the promise is zero overheating and no thermal throttling, even during the most intense marathon gaming sessions. Of course, a RedMagic phone wouldn't be complete without its dedicated gaming features. With a flick of this physical switch on the side, you entered the dedicated game space. This mode transforms the phone into a pure gaming console. It blocks notifications, optimizes network performance, and gives you instant access to all your game-specific settings. The RGB turbofan kicks in, and you can customize the lighting to your heart's content. Those shoulder triggers I mentioned earlier, they're fully mappable and have an incredible 520 Hz touch sampling rate for near instantaneous response. The haptic vibration feedback is also finely tuned, adding a layer of immersion you don't get on most phones. It's a complete, holistic gaming ecosystem built right into the hardware and software. Now, you might think a phone so focused on gaming would compromise on its cameras, but let's take a look. The RedMagic 11 Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a front-facing selfie camera. Let's snap a few quick shots. Okay, Initial impressions are pretty strong. The images from the main sensor are packed with detail, and the sharpness is on point. Colors look natural and well-balanced. While it might not be aiming to dethrone the top camera-focused flagships, it's far from an afterthought. For an esports-grade gaming phone, the camera system is genuinely impressive, and more than capable of capturing great photos and videos for your daily life and social media. All this power needs a serious battery, and RedMagic has delivered. We're looking at a massive 6,000 mAh battery. That should easily provide enough juice for extended gaming, streaming, and all-day use. But here's the truly insane part. 165-watt hyper-fast charging. RedMagic claims you can charge this phone from 0 to 100% in just a matter of minutes. That's revolutionary. It means you'll spend virtually no time tethered to a wall. A quick 5-minute charge could give you hours of gameplay. This completely changes how you think about battery life. RedMagic hasn't forgotten the other essentials, either. The audio experience is fantastic, thanks to a pair of powerful dual stereo speakers. They get loud, clear, and offer a great sense of spatial audio. And for the audiophiles and competitive gamers, look at this glorious sitter, 3.5mm headphone jack. A true rarity in 2024, and a massive plus. Connectivity is also future-proofed, with support for Wi-Fi 7 and the latest Bluetooth standards. For security, we have a fast and reliable in-display fingerprint scanner. They've really covered all the bases. So, what's the final verdict on the RedMagic 11 Pro? This device is, without exaggeration, a gaming powerhouse. It's a specialized tool built from the ground up for one primary purpose: to deliver the absolute best mobile gaming performance possible. The speed is insane, the cooling is powerful and effective, and the design is a bold, futuristic statement. Is this phone for everyone? Maybe not. But if you're a serious mobile gamer, a streamer, or just a tech lover who craves ultimate performance, then this phone is not just an option. It's practically a necessity. It's an unapologetic, top-tier performance machine. That's all for our unboxing and first look at the incredible RedMagic 11 Pro. We'll be putting this phone through its paces in our full in-depth review, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. What do you guys think of this gaming monster? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.